In this video, we're going to learn how to use dimensional analysis to convert between units. We're going to learn how to convert between inches to centimeters and from grams to moles. This technique is used in every chemistry calculations and especially in lab problems. So here's the setup. You always want to start with what you're given. Then multiply by a conversion factor that cancels the original units and gives you the units that you want. So that will be given times desired units over original units. Let's see how this works with an example. In this example, we'll convert 12 inches to centimeters. We know 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeters. This information is usually given to you on a quiz. It's not something you need to memorize. So 12 inches times 2.54 centimeters over 1 inch. We want to set it up so that our inches can cancel out. In this way, the inches do cancel, and that gives us 12 times 2.54, which is equal to 30.48 centimeters. So now we just use dimensional analysis to convert between inches to centimeters using a conversion factor of 1 inch that equals to 2.54 centimeters. Let's relate this to chemistry even more. In chemistry, we often convert grams into moles. So what is a mole? A mole is a number, specifically 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd power. And that is Avogadro's number. It basically means how many atoms, molecules are in 1 mole of a substance. It's a universal way to communicate how many of any substance are in 1 mole. And it varies by each substance. So let's do an example from grams to moles using dimensional analysis. Let's try converting grams to moles. Here's the question. How many moles are in 36.0 grams of water? First, find the molar mass. We know that H2O has 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. That's 2 times 1.01 plus 16, which is equal to 18.02 grams per mole. And that will be our molar mass. Now, using dimensional analysis, let's solve this problem. 36.0 grams times 1 mole over 18.02 grams. Here the grams cancel out and we divide. 36.0 divided by 18.02 is equal to 1.997 moles of water. We pay attention to sig figs, we make sure everything is correct, and this is our answer. We just learned how to do dimensional analysis to solve for grams to moles problems. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.